legalize it. Former Justice Minister says government should explore freeing up ganja. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, still no change. Banks outline reasons why they cannot accept ganja money.
Sentenced killer of 3-year-old to face 20 years in prison.
Majoring in minors, opposition criticizes move to name Portmore a city.
And in the financial week, expanding phosphorus to go into manufacturing.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what is your view on the proposal that the government take steps to fully legalize the use and possession of ganja in Jamaica?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.